In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Outlook. We'll use Outlook on the web and make sure reminders and notifications are turned on so you never miss an email or calendar event. I'll walk you through each click, keep it simple, and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then open the official Outlook website from the results. This takes you to Outlook on the web. If you're not already signed in, just make sure you're using the account where you want to receive reminders so everything lines up with your mail and calendar. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open your quick settings panel. We're going to go into the full settings, so choose the General section on the left side. This is where Outlook groups core preferences like language, time, and notifications, which helps keep your alerts consistent across mail and calendar. Next, select Notifications. This page controls whether Outlook can alert you for new messages and calendar activity. Find the main notification toggle and switch it on. Turning this on enables Outlook to notify you about new mail, event reminders, comments, edits, and mentions. In other words, you'll get a heads up when you receive an important message, when a meeting is about to start, or when someone updates a shared item that involves you. Below that, you can customize exactly what you want to be notified about. If you only want calendar reminders and not every email, you can turn off mail alerts while keeping event reminders on. If you collaborate a lot, leave comments and mentions enabled, so you're alerted when someone needs your attention. This fine-tuning is a great way to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. When you're happy with your choices, make sure to click Save. This confirms your settings and applies them to your account. A quick tip: if you've turned notifications on here but you're not seeing pop-ups, your browser or operating system may be blocking them. Allowing site notifications for Outlook in your browser will let these reminders appear. Also, verify your time zone in General Settings so calendar reminders trigger at the right times. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, went into Settings, selected General, opened Notifications, turned them on, customized what matters most, and saved your changes. Now your Outlook reminders will work the way you want, helping you stay on top of emails and events with timely alerts.